knobs, as I mentioned, are off center. The pins in the circles, and you can see here on the bezel there's a gap between the bezel and the oven control, but on this side it's actually overlapping because the knob is pushed so far over that it's causing the knob to actually overlap and get on top of the oven controls. And the same is true for all of the knobs. They're all off center by quite a bit, and it's causing the metal sleeve, the plastic sleeve inside the knob, to rub against the stainless steel plate, which will eventually wear it out. Not to mention that the buttons in the knobs stick because they're forever having to deal with pushing the plastic against the stainless steel, which is not what we want. In addition, the pins that center the bezels, you can see the vertical notches are nowhere near vertical. They're all off, and that's caused exactly by the same reason, because the pin is off center. It's causing everything to be off. So if you look above, you can see the off on the knob does not align with any of the hash marks on the bezels. They're all off center.